Carrot is highly nutritious and very good for the body, and in today's video tutorial I will be teaching you how to make carrot cake with the easiest and simplest method ever. Hi, my name is Esther Ozioma Sanami and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Event. If this is what you're interested in, stick to the end of this video and don't go away. So here are our ingredients: 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 230 grams of sugar, half cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg, half cup of dates, 1 cup of carrots. Go ahead and wash your carrots, scrape off the back, and then you want to go ahead and grate it. I got this small grater from the market, so I just decided to try it out with the carrots and it came out really nice. So after you're done grating the carrots, you're going to measure it with your measuring cup, 1 cup, and then you set it aside. So here is my carrot, set it aside. Now in another bowl, add your flour, make sure you have sieved it, add in your sugar, your baking powder, your cinnamon and nutmeg. I'll leave a link in the description box with the ingredients and the measurements so you can just check it out. Now combine everything together, mix it well, then set it aside. In another bowl, break your 3 eggs, and into the eggs you add your vanilla flavor and then your vegetable oil. Give it a very quick mix, and we are going to be adding this mixture to the flour. You can use your mixer for this, but I decided to use my whisk to show that even without a mixer you can actually do this carrot cake. So just gradually mix and mix. When you're mixing, it will look as if it's a little bit thick. Just keep mixing, it will soften as you continue mixing. I cut my dates into smaller portions. I also removed the seed in the middle of it. Then I went ahead to add a little bit of flour and give it a quick mix. The reason is because when I add it into my batter, I don't want it to soak up. So just go ahead and do this. You can as well use mixed fruit in place of dates or any other nuts. Go ahead and add in your dates and then your carrots and give it a very good mix. Mix it until it is well combined. You can actually use this carrot cake as a dessert. Yes, so it can serve as a cake and you can also use it as a dessert. I already lined my pan with the parchment paper, and then go ahead and pour in your batter. I used 2 pans for my batter, so go ahead and pour in your butter. I also went ahead to sprinkle a little bit of carrots on my batter. Now it's time to bake. Bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Here our carrot cake is ready. It is so soft, moist, and delicious. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new to this channel, you're so welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. I'd like you to tell me in the comment section what video you'd like to see next on this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.